Hey, John Crestani here, online marketer and tech entrepreneur, and I'm going to be showing you in this lesson how to start a business with no money. I'm going to be dispelling some myths that I've heard about starting a business, and I'm also going to be showing you 5 business models that are the most effective business models to start if you have zero capital to start. If you're just like nothing, you can do it with these 5 business models. Let's get into it. So in this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to start a business with no money. First off, what's the definition of a business? I'm just going to do it real quick. It's a person's regular occupation, profession, or trade. And this is important for what we're going to go over next, which is I'd like to dispel some myths about starting a business. Maybe you think that the word business is too corporate-y sounding for you, that you can't start a business. How many of you think that you need an LLC or some sort of corporation or some sort of legal entity to start a business? False. You do not need actual like a corporation or an LLC to start a business. All over the world, you can start a business without any of that stuff. You don't need an actual entity. Another myth I've heard is that you need to, a lot of my subscribers are based overseas and you think you need to be in the United States to have a business. Myth! You don't need any of that stuff. People are affiliate marketers. That's what I do for a living. All over the world, any country in the world, you don't need an LLC. All you need is an address for checks to be sent to. Another myth I've heard is that you need to be 18 to start a business. Myth! You can be any age and you can start a business, you can earn money, you can have it sent to you any age. Another myth I've heard about starting business is inventory. You need inventory, right? You need a product to sell. You need some physical thing that costs physical money to sell to start a business. Myth. Another thing I've heard is that you need experience to start a business. You need to have been working for years in an industry before you can go off on your own and do your own thing. Again, myth about it. And the last thing is that you need connections to start a business. Once again, that is a total myth. And I started a business without any of these things, as you'll see. Now, I'd love to hear in the comments below, how many of you believed one of these myths? Just say I did or something like that if you believed one of the myths, and name out the myth that you believe if you want to play along. That you need to be 18, you needed a business license or something like that. Name it in the comments. Now, 5 business models that you can start without any business license, without any money whatsoever, okay? First one is consulting, okay? $0 to start. What you're doing is you're selling your expertise. You're selling your knowledge for money. Many of you, if you've been following my channel for the last year or two, you have much greater experience in marketing and understanding how to get traffic than most other people in the world. That knowledge is worth money. You can gain knowledge for free anywhere on the internet. Everything you want to know is available somewhere for free if you just have enough time to learn. And you can sell that for money to individuals who want to learn about how to be an affiliate marketer or how to do marketing or how to market their local business. Whatever that is, you could consult with them and make some money. Another business that costs $0 to start is social media, is being an influencer. One of my income streams is being an influencer. On YouTube, I make over $20,000 per month just by putting up videos. And that's by sharing knowledge, that's by posting. You can put up videos on YouTube as well. As long as you have a camera phone or any sort of camera, if you have a friend that has a smartphone, you are watching this on some sort of computer device. So you could record the screen. You could do whatever you want. You can do social media. You can post images on Instagram. You can post videos on Facebook or YouTube. You can post on a lot of places and earn money on TikTok, etc. You can post and earn money just by being an influencer, just by sharing funny things or by sharing knowledge. Great way to make money. $0 to start. Another business you can start for $0 is an ad agency. So it's not very difficult. I show a ton of free traffic methods in this channel. You can check out my playlist, free traffic methods, if you want to learn more about ways to get traffic. You can actually do the marketing for local businesses or for other businesses and help them do marketing. Small businesses, local businesses are being murdered by Jeff Amazon. He's just gunning them down. Another business you can start for literally $0 is drop shipping. You have to set up a website. Usually people do it on Shopify store. Shopify costs $0 to start, and people ship another person's product to a customer in the US. Now, this is oftentimes done with Alibaba, most famous drop shipping website. The only downside of drop shipping is that it takes a couple weeks for the product to arrive. But the great thing about drop shipping is you don't have to carry inventory, okay? Unlike Amazon, Amazon requires you to carry inventory in your store in order to sell it. You don't have to spend any money on inventory to start selling products. You can sell products and just, pay the supplier when you get money in. And the last business, which is what I do, and I earn about $500,000 a month doing this, is affiliate marketing. This is how I earned my first million. This is how I earned my first 10 million. This is how I earned from my first $20 million, is doing affiliate marketing, which is marketing other people's products and earning a commission when that product was sold. And what's great about that is with affiliate marketing, you don't even need a site, okay? You don't even need a website. All you need to be able to do is get traffic, post links and get people clicking on them. You don't even need your own social media. You can post on other people's social media. So there's a lot of advantages of affiliate marketing that make it, I believe, the easiest business to start possible. And if you're looking how to get started in affiliate marketing, I have another video that you can click on to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, let me know in the comments below what business model you're most excited about. Is it consulting, social media, ad agency, drop shipping, or affiliate marketing? And if you're doing one of these, let me know what you're doing. Okay, because I'd love to hear sort of what businesses you're doing or you've tried out in the comments below. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you love marketing and you want to learn more about how to do marketing and you like making money. This is a great place for you to hang out. I release videos every single day. I will continue to be doing so for the rest of the year. So make sure to tune in, like, subscribe, comment, and also check out our communities. We have a Discord chat community, we have a Facebook group, and we also have a Reddit subreddit so you can interact with other members, make deals, learn, ask questions. I get 2 quadrillion messages a day, so don't ask me. I get most common ones are, John, can you give me money? And John, will you be my mentor? And I'm like, dude, I'm gonna spend my free time with my kids, right? So like, no offense to everybody watching them, but I'm not gonna like fly to India and help give you a confidence boost. I post everything up on this channel. But if you really wanna learn from other people, make sure to join one of the groups. And if you're looking to take your life to the next level, check out my 6-week marketing course called the Super Affiliate System. We have a bunch of testimonials. We have a bunch of success stories of people who have gone through my program and made a lot of money, even become millionaires. So we have at least 5 people who have become millionaires from going through the Super Affiliate System and many more who have made a lot more money. Check out some of these stories. Make sure you subscribe and talk to you soon.
So it's been about 3 months since I got your program. It took me about a week to learn, watch all your videos, read through the 20 pages in your guide or more, and took my time, and here I am 2.5 months later, and I already made about $20,000 in affiliate commissions. You can pretty much apply your program to any affiliate program, any product, any niche that you ever imagine. You will never ever go hungry again once you know how to apply. But basically, what I'm lacking right now is time. I can set up a new AdWords campaign for any product that I can imagine. I can start making money online tomorrow or today. So I can definitely recommend and vouch for your program to anybody, either beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Get that program today and start double, triple, tenfold your income. Okay, bye.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Sumit Harish. I just took John Crestani's course. It was like being pulled out of the matrix, to be honest with you. It's just all the information that you need to tactically go out there and to just kill it. Just valuable information, things that we normally would trip over on in the market, getting information at conferences. All of that's good, but it doesn't really come together unless you're in a mastermind and getting that systematical information. One of the key things in the course was just getting together with the group of people to see how we would actually build out an affiliate marketing business, like right there on the spot, building out the system. So it was just an immersion experience I really think that everybody should have the opportunity to have. It was definitely worth every single minute.